Good morning, students. Let us start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Structure of the Atom. We know that atom is the smallest indivisible particle of matter as suggested by Dalton in its theory. However, Dalton's concept of atom could not explain the following facts, which is, why do atoms of different elements differ from each other in masses as well as in properties? And the next is, why do atoms combine to form molecules? Now, to look for an answer to the above questions, further studies were carried out to know whether the atom is really indivisible. And from many experiments, it was showed that the atom is not the smallest particle, but it is made up of still smaller particles called subatomic particles. And the three main subatomic particles were electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now, the main aim of this chapter will be to discuss how these subatomic particles were discovered and how they are arranged within the atom, that is, to basically study the model of atom or structure of atom. Now, atoms have three types of subatomic particles. They are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons are basically negatively charged, protons are positively charged, and neutrons have no charge. So, in general, an electron is represented by E negative and a proton as P positive. The mass of proton is taken as 1 unit and its charge as plus 1. So the mass for proton is 1 unit and its charge is plus 1. Now the mass of electron is considered as negligible and its charge is taken as minus 1. So the mass of electron is basically negligible, which is 1 by 2000 the mass of hydrogen atom, and the mass of hydrogen atom is considered as 1 unit. The mass of proton is equal to mass of hydrogen atom, which is taken as 1 unit, and also the mass of neutron is equal to the mass of hydrogen atom, and it is also taken as 1 unit. So basically the mass of proton and mass of neutron are taken as 1 unit and mass of electron is taken as negligible. Now, who led the discoveries of subatomic particles? So in the year 1900, J.J. Thomson discovered the presence of negatively charged particles called electrons in the atom. In 1886, E. Goldstein discovered new radiations in glass discharge. Glass discharge is basically a cylindrical hard glass tube, and called them canal rays. He called these radiations as canal rays, and canal rays are the positively charged radiations. This led to the discovery of the positively charged particle called protons in the atom. And in the year 1932, Chadwick discovered the presence of particles having no charge in the atom, and it is called neutrons. So it seemed highly likely that an atom is composed of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Now the big question was, what sort of structure did these particles of the atom form? We will try to find the answers of this question in our following videos by models of an atom. So how the structure of atoms look like, we are going to study about them in our chapter. So that's it for this video. I hope you are able to distinguish between electrons, protons, and neutrons and who discovered them. Thank you.